So I had a call to repair this cane. The handle was loose. I didn't video the actual process. Take it apart now. It's glued up. Now the basic problem was when this guy put this together, he did a very good job, but he didn't clamp it properly, so it became loose up front here. And as you can see, I've created this strap clamp with the screwdriver to twist it up good and tight. It's been sitting up for 20 hours now. With wood glue, not super glue, wood glue. Wood glue is much stronger than super glue for wood. So we get that off, take my strap off, so that way I was able to exert pressure where I needed it to make that joint good and tight without damaging the thing. Now if you can see, what happened was right in here, from putting weight on here, that had come up, but it didn't break off because I was originally intending to just pull this off and reset the dowel. I figured there's a dowel in there. This is wood, and what I discovered, because I couldn't get this off easily without risking damage, he put an angled dowel in here going this way, which was a very good thing to do, but as I said, he didn't clamp this joint tightly enough when he glued it up, so it broke loose. So I was able to get just a fingernail's width of opening here. I used sandpaper one side each way, you know, flipping it to remove what I could of any residue in there. Then I air blew it out. Then I used a piece of floss, dental floss, in there to guide the glue in, to glue the surfaces, making several passes in and out, soaking the string with some glue, and so that I got good coverage in there. And then I put my clamp on it and wiped off the excess and let it set up. And it's been set up for 20 hours now about, and you can hear there's no hollow between those pieces of wood. That's a good solid connection now. Now of course this type of joint is not meant to stand up to using this as a lever. It is a cane, but in actual use it gets used as a lever, and it'll be fine for that. It won't snap because of that angled dowel he put in there, but it might loosen up again eventually. But for the moment anyway, this is good and solid, and I've done a very nice repair here. I would like it to set up for another week before it goes into actual use.